beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at some Ipsy Glam Bag June 2019 sneak peeks, and these are all the sneak peeks that can possibly be in your bag. And of course, from all of these you'll get 5 because Ipsy Glam Bag is a $10 a month beauty subscription. You'll get 5 Deluxe Beauty Samples based on your beauty profile, and this is all placed into a cute little cosmetics bag. You can also subscribe to Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Now this is the full size option. It'll cost you $25 a month. You'll get 5 full-size beauty products based on your beauty profile, and the value will be at least $120. So let's take a look at our Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of June. It's being reported that Ipsy, in collaboration with Tetris, is bringing us a limited edition Tetris and Ipsy Glam Bag and cosmetic collection to celebrate the 35th anniversary of Tetris. Tetris started in 1984, and in celebration of this, we have a selection of 7 different cosmetic bags. And I really looked at these cosmetic bags. The cosmetics bags are in several trends that are going on this year. Color blocking is a very popular fad right now, and that's when you take 2 or 3 different shades or colors to make one garment, or they use this in household goods. It's just blocking of different colors, and they're also using the trend of monochromatic coloring. Do you remember watching a video of Jaclyn Hill? She did this beautiful all pink eyeshadow, and everything on her face, the color was just pink. It was just beautiful. So these bags, speaking of the color blocking and the monochromatic colors, they took different shades. The first cosmetic bag is in the dark blue shade, and you can see the different shapes. This is incorporating the Tetris theme and all the blue monochromatic coloring. Then you have a purple in the monochromatic shades, then yellow, then you have a red one, a light blue, and a yellow with some beige in it, and a green one. By incorporating all these different shapes on the bag, it helps to add in that Tetris theme to the cosmetics bags. Okay, so this is in celebration of Tetris' 35th anniversary. We're going to start off with our first Deluxe Beauty Sample from Sugar Cosmetics. It's the Contour de Force. It's a mini blush. This mini blush sells for $9.99. Now the color we're seeing here is Pink Pinnacle, and this is like a deep rose color. This blush is long wearing, buildable. You can wear it either very sheer or build it up to a darker color. It's lightweight with a velvety finish. Sneak peek number 2 is from Laneige. It's the Water Bank Moisture Cream. This cream is good for normal, dry, and sensitive skin. It's a richly textured moisturizing cream that softens and retains moisture all day. Sneak peek number 3 is from Elizabeth Mott. It's an all-over shadow brush, and it sells for $12. So this is actually a full-size brush. This shadow brush, you can use it to highlight your brow bone. You can smooth eyeshadow on your lid, or you can blend color in the crease. Don't miss a spot with this ridiculously soft all-over shadow brush. Sneak peek number 4 is from Real Her. It's the Moisturizing Lipstick, and this is in the shade Wine. It's a highly moisturizing lipstick with shea butter, jojoba seed oil, aloe vera, and vitamin E. It's a creamy satin matte finish. Next, we have sneak peek number 5. It's from the brand Pixi by Petra. It's the Glow Mud Cleanser. It's a deep pore cleansing mud enriched with 5% glycolic acid and soothing botanicals, yet it's mild enough for all skin types. Your complexion will be cleansed and gently exfoliated for a radiant glow and healthy skin. Sneak peek number 6 is from Gentle Blue. It's a liquid eyeliner, ultra-lasting formula. So it's a 24-hour, long-lasting black liquid eyeliner. We've seen these in other boxes before. Sneak peek number 7 is by Numa Moisture Instant Fix Leave-In Spray. They have 1 ounce in the deluxe sample. It's a replenishing hairspray. It detangles, hydrates, tones, preps, mends, and protects hair for smoothness, manageability, and high shine. You can use it as a hair protectant prior to wet styling or on dry hair as an added heat protection. Sneak peek number 8 is from the brand Delectible by Cake Beauty. It's the Triple Citrus Blend Wash Body Polish. This is actually a new product for them. It's a body scrub to exfoliate dull, rough skin. It's made with powerful antioxidants. It's a body scrub to exfoliate dull, rough skin, and it's made with powerful antioxidants. It'll give you a gorgeous glow. It's enriched with shea butter for soft, smooth skin. Sneak peek number 9 is by Nature. It's the 3-step sheet mask set. This sells for $3. This aqua hydration mask is blended with hyaluronic acid and other natural ingredients to immediately moisturize and give life back to your skin. It's got vitamin B3, which is niacinamide, helps reduce pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. It'll help uneven skin tone. It'll help your dullness. And those are our 9 sneak peeks. You'll receive 5 deluxe samples of these. Some of these are really nice, and some I've seen before, so I'm not too sure how you'll feel about them. Remember about the giveaway. It's coming, it'll end on June 15th. If you missed any videos that I've uploaded since May 1st, you might want to check those out and get your comments in. Please remember to share and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And if any of y'all have not subscribed to me on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, please do so. I'm especially trying to get my Instagram count up right now. I'm trying to get to 1,000, and I'd really appreciate it if you would follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Kendy Jane Beauty, which is on Facebook. And until next time, take care. Bye. Mwah. Love you guys.